So now let's see how we can utilize the alignment options inside of VistaCreate. So for that, over here I am in my object section. So I'm going to go around and bring in some objects. Like I'm going to go around, bring in this object, and let's just go around and bring in this object. And let's just go around and bring in this object right here. And let's just go around and bring in, let's say for example, this object as well. So I got 4 objects in total. Let's just go around and select it all by clicking and dragging it and by resizing it out right here. So now if I were to go around and move these objects, you can see that they are individually placed right here. But if you want to align them all out together, then you can select all of them and then go around over here onto the align tool, as you can see right here. And once you go around over here, you can align them, let's say for example, like horizontally over here, and then make sure that everything is centered out right here. You can just go around and then take the baseline as the alignment guide as well, or the top area, but nothing seems to be changed. So let's just go around and change up the size of these 2 objects right here. So let's just select everything over here and then go around onto the align tool, and you can see that you can align them to the top or on the center right here or on the bottom, as you can see, just like this. So that is what you have. You can also align all of them out together in the center by clicking on this button right here. Let me just go around and then click and drag all of these out right here. And then what you can do is you can select these objects out right here and then work around with the alignment so that they are aligned to the left, on the center, or the right here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the alignment options inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.